Hey campers, ever sat in a camping chair that destroyed your back after an hour? Yeah, me too. So I tested over 40 chairs and everything from desert heat to mountain storms. Make sure you check out all our options and stay until the end. I'm giving you way more than just a top 10 list today. I'll tell you exactly which of these chairs is perfect for your specific situation. Whether you need back support, have a larger frame, camp as a couple, or need something ultralight. Don't skip ahead because the best chair for you might not be the number one overall pick. Let's start with my number one pick and work our way through to number 10. After testing dozens of camping chairs, the GCI Outdoor Pod Rocker with Sunshade earns our top recommendation. The patented spring action rocking technology creates a smooth rocking motion that works even on soft surfaces like sand. Something traditional rockers can't do. The adjustable canopy is what really makes this chair special, providing crucial sun protection that follows your position throughout the day. During my desert testing in 95-degree Fahrenheit heat, this feature kept me comfortable in direct sunlight for hours. The UPF 50+ rating provides significant sun protection without blocking airflow. Construction quality is exceptional, with powder-coated steel and ripstop fabric showing no wear even after rough testing. Supporting 250 pounds and weighing 11.7 pounds, it's a reasonable trade-off given its features. The folding mechanism collapses in seconds into a slim profile that fits easily alongside other gear, with the carrying handle making transportation straightforward. Coming in at number 2, the Fairwind oversized chair feels like sitting on your living room couch. During my week-long camping trip in the Cascades, I never got sore or uncomfortable, even after hours of sitting. No pressure points at all. The fully padded design spreads your weight out better than regular chairs, and the stitching at stress points is double reinforced for durability. I tried to wear it out during testing and couldn't. With a 450-pound capacity and a wide 24-inch seat, it works great for anybody, regardless of size. What really impressed me was how stable it felt on all surfaces. Whether I was on sand at the beach or rocky terrain in the mountains, it never wobbled or felt tippy like most camping chairs do. The number 3 spot goes to the Alpha Camp oversized chair, which changed my view of what heavy duty really means for camping chairs. During my testing, the reinforced steel frame didn't bend or flex at all, even when loaded to its full 450-pound capacity. The extra wide 23.6-inch seat gives you plenty of room, even if you're a larger person. The padded armrests and back support really helped during my week-long trip in the Smoky Mountains. No soreness even after sitting for hours. I really like the smart cup holder design that fits different bottle and cup sizes without tipping them over. The fabric does two things well. It breathes when it's hot, no sweaty back, but also doesn't get cold when temperatures drop at night. For our number 4 pick, the Timber Ridge Director's Chair combines classic styling with modern materials and great stability. Even on the rocky, uneven terrain of my Rocky Mountain campsite, it stayed completely solid thanks to its uniquely designed frame. The big side table actually held my laptop during an extended trip, turning into a real mobile workstation. The higher 19-inch seat height is perfect for campers who have trouble with those low-to-the-ground models. Despite being built tough with a 400-pound weight capacity, it's still only 11.5 pounds and folds flat for easy transport. The gray fabric hides dirt really well, definitely something you'll appreciate after a few trips. Coming in at number 5, the Coleman Outpost Elite Chair shows why Coleman has been trusted by campers for generations. The sturdy side table easily held a full dinner plate during my testing without wobbling, which made campsite meals so much better. The weather-resistant materials really proved themselves when I got caught in a surprise downpour in the Adirondacks. The chair barely soaked up any water and dried quickly, so I wasn't sitting on a wet chair the next morning. The reinforced stress points prevent the common braking issues I've seen in cheaper chairs, and the slightly higher seat position makes getting in and out much easier than those chairs that sit really low. If you're enjoying this breakdown of camping chairs, hit that like button. It helps other outdoor enthusiasts find our channel. Now let's continue with our top picks. In the number 6 position, the KingCamp Hammock chair combines the relaxation of a hammock with the stability of a traditional chair. During my 3-month testing period, the gentle swinging motion transformed my campsite relaxation experience. The aluminum alloy frame reduces weight while maintaining a substantial 400-pound capacity. The included pillow provides excellent neck support, and the cup holder is positioned perfectly to prevent spills even during swinging. After rigorous use, the chair shows no signs of stress on either the fabric or frame connections. The fold-up design is intuitive and quick, making it easy to pack and transport. At number 7, the Land Mountain Highback chair impressed me with its exceptional neck support and practical storage. During my summer testing in Utah, the high backrest prevented neck strain, and the built-in cooler bag kept drinks cold for over 3 hours with ice packs. What surprised me was its lightweight build, just 9.2 pounds despite its robust construction and 300-pound capacity. The powder-coated steel frame showed excellent rust resistance even when left out overnight in heavy dew. The side pocket organizer keeps essentials like phones and sunscreen within easy reach, making this a practical choice for organized campers. Unique, The Kely low love seat makes camping better when shared. This two-person chair has transformed my couple's camping experiences with its sturdy 600D polyester fabric and dual insulated beverage holders. The low profile is perfect for gathering around campfires, and the roll-tote carry bag cleverly converts into a headrest. During my testing in varying weather conditions, I was impressed by how quickly the fabric dried after morning dew and rain. Supporting 500 pounds, it easily accommodates 2 adults. At 15 pounds, it's on the heavier side, but for creating a cozy outdoor experience with someone special, nothing beats this love seat. In the number 9 position, the KingCamp oversized chair is perfect for anyone with back issues. The built-in lumbar support completely changed my experience during testing in the Rocky Mountains. I didn't have any of the back pain I usually get after a full day of camping. The padded seat and armrests spread your weight evenly, and the attached cooler bag means your drinks stay cold without walking back and forth to the cooler. I actually dropped it on some sharp rocks during testing, and the tough 600D Oxford fabric didn't tear at all. Just one thing to watch out for, it sits pretty low to the ground, which might be tough if you have knee problems or difficulty getting up from low positions. Rounding out our list at number 10 is the Black Sierra plush chair with its impressive comfort to weight ratio. What makes this oversized chair stand out is its deep cushioning and 400-pound weight capacity, perfect for longer sitting sessions at campsites. The dual cup holders easily fit larger water bottles, and the carry bag makes transportation straightforward. During my 3-day testing at Yosemite, the chair maintained its comfort even after hours of sitting around the campfire. At around 13 pounds, it's not for backpackers, but for car camping, it's hard to beat the living room comfort this chair brings to the outdoors. So, which chair should you actually buy? It really depends on what matters most to you. If you care about comfort above everything else, grab the Fairwind oversized chair. I literally fell asleep in it twice during testing. Is that comfortable? Got back problems? The KingCamp with lumbar support saved my back during a week-long camping trip. Camping with your partner. The Kely Love Seat is a no-brainer. My wife and I use it for everything from camping to outdoor concerts. Want something that works in every situation? The GCI Pod Rocker with the adjustable sunshade is amazing. It works great everywhere, from the beach to the mountains. And if you want something completely different, the KingCamp Hammock chair feels incredible after a long day of hiking. Listen, I'm curious, what feature do you absolutely need in a camping chair? Drop it in the comments below. If you found this helpful, check out my video on the best 7 portable water filters and purifiers for outdoor right after this. And hey, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next gear review. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.